Hello dear student, now we are in the class 6 exercise 1.2 question number 9. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirt can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So in the given information they mention 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. So here to stitch a shirt, how much cloth is required? 2 meter 15 centimeter and out of 40 meter cloth, it means total cloth is how much? 40 meter. So they are asking how many shirt can be stitched by using 2 meter 15 centimeter and how much remain out of 40 meter cloth. So here in the first information both units are there, meter centimeter, so either you convert into centimeter or meter. So here the conversion of centimeter is quite easy because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So in the information they have given 2 meter. So 2 meter means 2 into 100 centimeter, it means it is 200 centimeter. Okay, so our value is 2 meter 15 centimeter. It means 2 meter means 200 centimeter, remaining you do plus 15 centimeter. So it means the total is 215 centimeter. So after that they have given total cloth is 40 meter. So next value is 40 meter, so convert into centimeter. So it means 40 into 100, you do same procedure, 4000 centimeter. So here total is 4000 centimeter and for stitching it require 215 centimeter. So you have to use divide operation. So 4000 divided by 215. So 215 into 1 is 215. Here you do subtraction, 10 minus 5 5. Here 9 minus 1 8 and 3 minus 2 1. Take upside 0 and here 215 into, if I multiply by 8, 8 into 5 is 40, 8 into 8 is 8, 12, then 8 into 2 is 16 plus 1 17, 1720. Here you write 8. Finally do subtraction, 0 0 0, 5 2 3, 8 7 1 1 1 0. So remainder is 130. It means this is the remaining cloth and you can stitch 18 shirt. It means you can write in the answer to stitch total 18 shirt. To stitch total 18 shirt and the remaining cloth is, they are asking remaining, and remaining cloth is 130 centimeter. So 130 centimeter means, that is 130 centimeter means you can write 130 means 100 plus 30, it means 1 meter. So 1 meter means how much? 100 centimeter. So you can write, and remaining is 30. So it is nothing but 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. So our answer is 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. If you are getting confusion, it is quite clear. 100 means 1 meter, remaining 30 is 30 centimeter. So this is our answer. Now we move on the next question. Medicine is packed in boxes. Each weight is 4 kg 500 gram. How many such box can be loaded in van where the van can carry beyond 800 kg? So medicine is packed in the box and the each box weight is, you can write here in the answer, each box weight is 4 kg 500 gram and van can carry 800 kg. So here kg is there, gram is there, so conversion from kg to gram is quite easy. So you can write 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So in the question they have given 4 kg. So 4 kg means 4 into 1000, 4000 gram. Got it? So here the box weight is 4 kg 500 gram. It means 4 kg you got 4000, okay, and remaining is 500 gram. It means total is how much? 4500 gram, and the van can carry 800 kg. So in van the value is 800 kg, that also you convert into gram. So 800 into 1000. So after it 1 2 3 4 5 0 will be there. So finally you have to divide this number. So here we have the formula for calculating the value of how much weight or the van which can carry up to 800 kg. So here in the question we have to carry how many such box can be loaded. So our formula is van can carry up to 800 kg, okay, which is divided by box weight. So here 800 kg means it can be written like this, and next one is downside value. You write in the, this value is nothing but gram. So our previous value 4 kg 500 gram is nothing but 4500. Then 00 you get cancel, it is nothing but 8000 divided by 45. Now we will directly do division. 45 ones are 45, 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 4 is 3, taking 0 from upside. So 45 minus 7 we check, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3 31. So we just check it, 315. 315 means here 5 will be there, 4 minus 1 3 0, again 0 we are getting. So again if I multiply by 7, it is 315. Here 5 will be there, 4 minus 1 3 0. So here now only 35 will be remaining value, okay, 35 will remain value. So your answer is total 177 boxes, because when you put the luggage you are putting into the boxes, you will not put the remaining value which is remaining, and in the one box, as you know, the weight is, the box weight is 4500. So here in the calculation you are getting the answer 177 box. So finally you can load total 177 box and the remaining value is 35. That there is no need to mention in the answer. They are asking only the boxes. So I hope friend you understood both the answer. Thank you.